In this video, I'll show you how to add the IDM extension to Google Chrome. So if you want to go and download this Internet Download Manager extension, then all you simply need to do is head over to an internet browser and you need to type in IDM download and hit enter. Then click on this official website at the top, which is internetdownloadmanager.com. And then if you scroll down the page, you need to click on installation instructions. Then if you scroll down again, we need to click on Google Chrome from this list, and that will take you over to the official IDM integration module. So you can see here that this is being used by 19 million people and it has over 2,700 ratings. This is the official one that you need to use. And all you simply need to do is click on this blue Add to Chrome button and then go and press Add Extension. Now, once you have added the IDM module, simply click on Extensions at the top, and then you can click this pin icon to pin this to your start bar. And in order to enable this, we just simply need to click it like so. And just to demonstrate that this works, if I right click on one of my files here and press download, you can see that this will pop up with the IDM download file info. So from here, you can just go in and press start download. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.